Hey guys, AtlantisAcolyte here, and yeah, once again, it's been a while since my last upload, and yeah, this is a little bit dangerous because I'm holding a camera right over my face, where I could drop it on my own face, and I'm sure you guys could get a good laugh out of that. But beside the point, yeah, I haven't been uploading videos too often because I've been pretty busy lately. I've been going to work, going to school, and yeah, needless to say, it's just been getting to be a bit too much for me for the past couple of months. Any day that I'm not at work, I'm in school, and I've got a lot of school projects going on, and I'm also working full-time, so yeah, that's pretty much my life. Needless to say, I've just been bored out of my mind lately for the past couple of months, but I've recently done something to change that. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of you guys remember my gaming computer. Thumbs up to anybody who can guess what that logo is. But yeah, what I've done with it is I've gone and made some upgrades for it. Well, I didn't make, I technically bought. But as you can see, what I got here is a different heatsink. It's an Arctic Freezer 13 CO continuous operational heatsink cooler. It uses copper tubing to conduct the heat away from the CPU. And as for the CPU itself, I've upgraded from an AMD FX-8300 to an AMD FX-8350 8-core processor overclocked at 4.2 gigahertz. And yeah, I also got here another SATA cable, and I'm gonna be ordering another SATA power connector, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a solid state drive to put here so that this thing can boot a lot faster. I mean, with the new AMD FX 8350, this thing runs pretty quickly. But I kind of want it to go a bit faster. I mean, this is a pretty nice 2 terabyte solid state drive, but yeah, when you can go faster, you go faster. Like, isn't that some kind of like gamer lingo or something? I don't know. But yeah, overall pretty awesome computer. Oh, yep. Matrix screensaver there. Pretty awesome computer. I mean, it's got a pretty nice motherboard. It's got an NVIDIA graphics card. It's the GT 7300. I think I might upgrade that one day for best graphics card this motherboard can do. It's a gigabyte. Not the best motherboard, but you know, works great. And processor, I mean, obviously with an AMD, you're never going to be able to achieve the kind of capabilities of like a Core i7 by Intel. But I mean, the 8350, I'd say it competes with some pretty high-end Core i5s. Yeah, because like my old laptop had like a Core i5 processor, and this thing I think runs a little bit better than that just because it's a desktop and it's more powerful. It's got, you can see there, 2 sticks of 8 gig RAM DDR3, which makes for a grand total of 16 gigs. I think I might one day bump that up to 32 if my demands get high enough. So yeah, overall I'm really liking this computer here. By the way, this is just like this is a ThinkPad T430. It runs Linux Mint v18.1 Cinnamon. Yeah, this is like kind of my personal sort of travel laptop. It's got a nice track point. You got a ThinkPad logo. This thing works great. It's very durable too. All ThinkPads have to be durable. And as for my personal laptop that I like to use, this is Lenovo IdeaPad Y700 15.6-inch gaming laptop. Yeah, I got here like a kind of carbon fiber skin for it made out of vinyl. But yeah, this is a pretty sick laptop. This one, unlike my gaming tower over there, this has a Core i7 along with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM. The processor itself is overclocked at 2.8 gigahertz. It's quad-core, USB 3.0, and one 28 gig solid-state drive and a 1 terabyte hard disk drive. As you can see, I put tape over the webcam here, just because I don't really want people to, like, any sort of government like the NSA to look through my camera. I don't really know what to do about the microphones, but, you know, whatever. Yeah, you got these nice, pretty cool looking speakers here, and these nice cutouts. And yeah, this thing has a pretty awesome cooling system. Like, this has never overheated on me once. I mean, it does get slow, but it's never, like, overheated. Yeah, you can see there's, like, the Lenovo logo right here underneath the vinyl. And, just flip this thing right over. Yeah, what I've done is I've put, like, duct tape over the brushed aluminum here, because this brushed aluminum is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, and I'm sort of a neat freak, if you will. Look at me trying to wipe off these finger smudges from holding it. Yeah, it's got this kind of dust shield for the heat vent. It's got this very nice subwoofer, makes it sound pretty awesome. And then you got on the sides these two air intakes, which I assume help this cooling unit. It's got right at the back there, so that's pretty nice. At least it's not blowing any heat out from, like, the side or something. And being that this is a newer laptop, it does not have an optical drive, as some of you may have noticed. So, and of course, I had to cut the tape right here for the Ethernet port. Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty sick laptop. Really like it. Cost me about $900, and believe it or not, that's actually a pretty good bargain. Because this laptop would be way more than that brand new. I got this one refurbished, and there were only a couple in stock on Newegg, so I got this thing before they went away. Yeah, this thing is a bit of a tank. It weighs quite a bit, but it's not really, you know, excessively heavy. Yeah, this is my primary computer. I mainly use that one for, like, really heavy-duty, like, gaming purposes, and my ThinkPad for, like, school and for, like, travel and stuff. So yeah, I just figured I'd kind of, like, show you guys what I've been doing in my spare time. I've been upgrading my computer, and yeah, I got a new computer, so 2 new computers actually, the ThinkPad and the IdeaPad. So overall, yeah, I think this is something I've really come to enjoy as a hobby. I think I could one day see myself working in the computer industry. Just sitting in, like, some factory assembling computers or something, I don't know. I mean, it wasn't really easy installing the new CPU, but it wasn't hard either. Heatsink was a bit of a pain, though, with the brackets. I was literally afraid I was going to crush the processor and waste $200. But fortunately, all went well. I updated the BIOS, I ran diagnostics, and everything turned out pretty good. So I hope you like the modifications I made to my gaming computer. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more, or it's right there, I believe. And yeah, you guys are all really awesome. Have a good day.